You know, one of the benefits of living in a large home is having a large backyard. I'm in a beautiful home in the North Valley where I'm going to call it Party Central. This backyard is enormous and perfect for entertaining, except for the fact that the back patio faces to the west. So in the evening, very difficult to entertain because you're being blasted by the sun. That is, unless you have one of these. Ah, look at this. Automatic shade. I love this. Of course, you've seen these before. These come from All Pro Shade Concepts, and we're doing the big reveal right here. Owner Robert Mulvin is behind curtain number 1 here. Robert, this is amazing. First of all, this backyard is amazing.
This is cool.
But look at the size of this automatic shade here that you guys installed. How big is this?
This one is 25 feet, but it's not the biggest that we can do. And all these new customs that we're doing nowadays, that they're building, this is kind of the norm now. So if you got a company that can't do shades over 20 feet, you're just stuck.
Right, and now here's the thing about this one too, is that it's all enclosed, and this is facing the west, so it's protected. You've got the what do you call that, the casing?
The cassette?
I think? Oh, the cassette across the top. And then also on the sides here, it
we
makes
have
it
guide
really
tracks.
secure.
It's secure, and it eliminates gaps. So there's no light gaps. There's no streaming where you got to move your chair over in the afternoon as the sun moves.
Right, right. And then on this side over here, so I guess they loved it so much, now they're gonna do another one over
We're
there.
finalizing this one now, and we're gonna do this one too, which this is a monster.
This is a monster.
This is big. This is 28 feet, but it's no problem with our system. It can handle spans like this.
Yeah, okay, so here's another one that they have here. And here's what's cool about this one is that this one came down just right at countertop height. So you can accommodate, if you already have built-ins or things like that, you can accommodate that?
Yeah, definitely. So with this, they wanted a little bar height so they can peak it up a little bit. If they have guests on the other side, they can hand them stuff, drop it, cut them out.
And just imagine, I mean, the temperature drop.
It's like 20 degrees in the afternoon. It's huge.
Yeah, it is huge. Okay, let's talk about color choices because this is blended in beautifully with the home.
It is.
I actually like how they did the casing to match kind of the window trim.
That's a big one that I like to do because it looks like a big, huge window on your patio. So it's, it accentuates.
Yes.
I didn't even know what to say. Like putting humongous windows on your patio.
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
I absolutely love it. Okay, so how many color choices do you offer out?
So there's like 8 color choices of powder coat colors for the framing, but there's like 40 colors for the fabric. So you can mix and match, choose what to blend, or you can contrast like they did here.
Yeah.
I mean, you can kind of do anything to get it to work.
But here's what I love about this. You can still see you can
see right out.
Yeah, you can still see.
But you go on the other side, they can't see you, so you're private. So you can have a little private grilling barbecue session.
Right, they're going to do another one right here now.
Yeah.
Again, they loved it so much because they want to protect this
close
whole
it all
area.
in.
So you guys have tons of color options, tons of choices. These are the automatic ones that have the little, I call it a mustache.
Yeah, we got the mustache. We can make them small or short.
Okay. It's
or bigger.
It's my terminology. It's the Patio terminology. But I want to let viewers know you're also doing another giveaway.
We are. So we also do retractable awnings. So we do the drop shades like they did here, but their patio's so huge. They don't need an awning.
Right.
But we do retractable awnings and we're doing a giveaway, our annual giveaway. We do it every year. So if you nominate somebody that you feel that would deserve or could really use a retractable awning to either cool their home, make it more enjoyable to live outside, or just to hang out outside.
Yeah.
Just go to the website and
submit.
Submit, and you'll get a free awning. It's up to 16 feet wide. It's a $4,000 value, so it's really cool.
Okay, so all people have to do is go to your website and check it out and go ahead and submit, and maybe, somebody deserving who really is in need.
Every year, it's better and better every year.
I love it.
It's really cool.
I love it. So this is what they do. So you know what? If you're into entertaining and you just can't because the sun is too brutal, well, he can help you out.
Yeah.
Here's more information. Here it is, a special offer. They do free estimate and free installation. Visit their showroom. It's by appointment only. All Pro Shade Concepts. Here's that number to call, 623-204-1476, or visit the website at allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects, be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other business and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepros.